Hello viewers, welcome once again to our channel. Today we are happy to present a 4-bedroom house at Adjiringanor. This home comprises of 3 main bedrooms and 1 staff quarters. It also has a security post, and my favorite thing about this home is the green areas that it has. Now let's check out the exterior, then we can go inside and see what we have there. This home is going for 400,000 USD or its cedi equivalent, and it's located at Adjiringanor. With Adjiringanor, we have Galaxy International, Kotoka International Airport, the Dell Hospital, UJ Medical Center, Accra Mall, ANC Mall, very good schools, hospitals and shopping centers, all within a 10-kilometer radius. This is the living space, and it has a very open floor plan which allows you to interact with your guests or your family even as you're cooking. Now let's take a look at your potential backyard before we go inside. We are back to the kitchen, and there's lots of storage spaces for your cooking ware, your utensils, your food, and everything. This kitchen also has a pantry or a storeroom. This right here is the storeroom. Could also be the laundry area. And outside of the laundry area or the storeroom also, it takes you to the back, and that is the staff quarters. It's a 1-bed with its full bathroom. So now let's go upstairs and then see what we have. That's a balcony right there. We're taking a look at the primary bedroom, then we'll look at the rest of the rooms. This is the primary bedroom. I think we all appreciate the natural light that comes through the walk-in closet area, and then the full bathroom. This is the family area we are walking through into the next bedroom. We'll check out the washroom because that's what you first see. This is the washroom. closet space, and then the bedroom. And then the final bedroom we have upstairs, also having its full bathroom. Do give us a call on any of the numbers below, and we'll be happy to assist you on this home. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.